What's up, sir? Eject, eject.
They would tow the plane back here.
Light check. Thank you. All the wind. Whoosh. Say, man. Say. Where we going?
I don't have a height problem. That's just like airplane seats now. Small and cramped.
Open the hatch.
You really can't.
Jump. What's up, sir? How you doing?
Is it cool?
It is.
Where are you supposed to fit your head? I think that your head's supposed to fit in the back. No, really, look at the headrest behind you. Exactly.
That's a lot of stuff they have to learn.
I bet.
It's the rescue now. I'm telling you, a lot of stuff I didn't even know back in the day.
Yeah, you just tap everything.
Say,
That's
man.
what they always show in the planes. That's how you know if
Yeah,
it's gas
but
or not.
look how many buttons.
Look at above them.
Look at all this wiring.
What is all that?
Who designed all this? Look at it. We need a button for this. We need a switch for that. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Look, it's TV shit right here. All right. Check it off. Look at all that shit. Jen, like, come on. You gotta think there was mastermind back.
Air.
Engine speed, pilot heat, engine.
Dang, how did you even reach everything? Look, I'm flying. Just auto. On. Off.
Down, up.
Up. Volume. AFM radio. Turn on the radio. We're good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Talk to the pilots. Good job, sir. Good job, sir. Whoa. Captain seat. Commander. That's a lot of planes.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yes, sir. Conference room. Look.
I'm gonna say this is somebody's quarters. Yeah, captain's quarters.
Captain. That's a nice room.
Ugly ass furniture.
Well, shit. Not back in the day, huh? Oh.
That's why I put my hand out.
Plan is go in there, take over, shoot them all down. That's the plan. Everybody come back alive. Steak and mashed potatoes.
Coffee mate creamer.
Personal chef. Yes, sir. You have the coffee.
Can't survive without coffee.
Wow, look at it.
I wonder how old this ship is. Like, how long it's been out of commission?
It tells you if you start reading stuff.
Gosh, I don't know how to read.
Jen, go down the hatch. That's what they need the small people for.
Oh, look, this is like the escape room.
USS Midway.
87, 89, 90, 91, 92. 92. That was the last captain. That answers your question?
Answer yours.
It's the 1970s style.
Look, the captain and his family.
Yeah.
Let's turn her into the wind and get me an update from engineering. Oh, hello. and welcome to the captain's cabin. I'm getting caught up on some paperwork and have to get up to the bridge soon, but it's great to have you aboard as my guest. No, we have over 4,500 sailors, chiefs, and officers aboard. It's my job to see that they're trained and ready to meet every mission we're called to do. On the USS Midway, the buck stops right here with me. At the end of the day, I'm responsible to the Admiral and ultimately our Commander-in-Chief for everything that takes place on this ship.